Hey, what's going on, guys? Welcome back to another video. Sorry I haven't posted in a little bit, but life gets in the way. But thank you so much for those of you who have actually been watching my videos. Subscribe. I did gain a few subscribers since my last video. Thank you so much for the support. I really appreciate it, and that just motivates me to make more videos for you guys. Today's video is a little bit different, but not so much. Pretty much today I want to talk about why I decided to pursue a new career, I guess you can say, in software development. I mean, I'm not a young person. I recently turned 33 years old. And why did I do it? Why did I, at 33 years old, decide to pursue pretty much a whole new career? Well, obviously for the same reason that everybody else does it. You're just not happy with what you're doing at the moment. And it's always been a dream of mine to become a software developer. I know that for some of you, you're probably saying like, oh, well, it's a little late. But you know what? Like you guys know, I drive Uber, and I pick up a lot of software developers here in the Silicon Valley. And every single one of them has told me the same thing. It's never too late. Honestly, if you have a passion for something, if you have a drive to do something, it's never too late to follow that dream or pursue that objective, to say it the best. You gotta remember, most of the companies, these big companies that are out here right now, the people who created these companies, they were in their late 40s, 50s, 60s, and they didn't give up. Obviously, it's because they did that at a later age. So pretty much, I wasn't happy with what I was doing. I do like to start businesses, but I felt like there was something missing. That the businesses that I was doing really weren't motivating me to keep them going. I went from doing landscape to selling and installing office furniture to all bunch of other stuff that I just like. It's stuff that I had done my whole life. People pushed me to do that stuff in particular, and I just didn't enjoy it. I thought that I did enjoy it. The money was coming in, but then I would just get bored, and I just wasn't happy. When you get bored of something way too easily, that's just, honestly, that means that you're just not enjoying it, and that it's not for you. And that's exactly what was happening to me with these businesses that I was creating, or even a regular job. Jobs that I've had, they would bore me so easily that I just didn't enjoy doing them. So I would quit 3, 4, 6 months in. I would just quit because I wasn't enjoying them. So what? You're probably asking like, well, what makes you think that I'm not gonna get bored of software development? Because for the past year, even before I did woz-u, I was practicing software development, and honestly, it was just I didn't get bored of it. Even though there was some times where I did have to take a break, every time I did it, I didn't get bored of it. I would go 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 hours just coding or practicing my coding, and I wouldn't get bored of it. Why? Because every time it was a new challenge. Unlike this other stuff that I was doing, I felt like it wasn't challenging me. I felt like it was just, like, why am I doing this? It's not something I want to do. It's boring me. As where software development, it's a new challenge every time. Whether you have to find a bug or where you have to figure out why your code isn't working, and there's always a need for it. And the world always needs software developers to solve problems. Excuse me. So this is why I wouldn't get bored of it. Even right now, after woz-u, after the boot camp, I'm still practicing. I actually started learning Java now. You know, I did the HTML, I did the CSS, I did the JavaScript, and now I'm working on Java. Why? Because this is also, you know, this is what I enjoy. The fact that I'm actually learning a new language without being pushed to do it, that means that I'm actually enjoying this. Now, this is for any career, guys. This isn't just for software development. If you are not happy where you're at, that means that there needs to be a change in what you are doing. Pursue what you are doing. Now, software development, I enjoy it. I'm gonna do it, and I will find a job in it. I'm still currently, I've applied at various places, and you know, I'll get there. I know for a fact I will. I already did a website for a small construction company, and right now I'm also like building an e-commerce website from scratch. But this is a little bit more difficult because, you know, it involves adding payment methods, involves adding databases, and trying to figure out how the customer can update, you know, the e-commerce website without me getting involved. So it's a little bit, a few extra steps than where my level where I'm at right now. But I feel like if I can do this, then pretty much I'll be there. But yeah, guys, this is pretty much why at 33 years old I decided to pursue my dream career, my dream job. Even if I become a freelancer, even better, right? I'm gonna be doing my entrepreneur thing that I'm used to doing, and also the coding, which I enjoy doing. But it's all part of the game, guys. It's a process. One thing that I've learned is that it's an extremely long process to be really successful at something. It's not just an overnight thing. Hey guys, sorry I forgot to do an outro for the video. So this is the outro. Please remember to like, comment, and subscribe to the channel if you guys want to see more videos. I will be posting more constantly now that I got some stuff figured out. But thank you guys so much for watching, and see you in the next video.